Gemma 4 on LM Studio. So easy, even grandma and grandpa can do it. And that feeling where AI is finally simple enough for everyone, that's exactly what we're going to set up together right now. Why should you run Gemma 4 locally on your own machine? It comes down to three things. First, total privacy. When you run Gemma 4 offline, your data never leaves your computer. No cloud, no backdoors, no prying eyes. Whether it's medical or legal documents, you keep full control. Second, complete freedom. It's open source, completely free, and there are no monthly subscriptions or hidden API costs. You own it, you control it, and you're immune to any provider's restrictions. And third, smart efficiency. Thanks to advanced architecture, it's lightning fast even on standard hardware. It gives you the power of a giant model while running smoothly on a mid-range graphics card. Local, private, and free. That's the real power of AI. Now let's get you set up. The easiest way to find it is to just search for LM Studio in your browser. When the results pop up, just make sure you click on the official website. You'll recognize it by the address lmstudio.ai. Just head over to the website and download the program. You have download options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Select your operating system. Just download and install the program like you would any other app. Once you've got it running, you're already halfway there. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to get Gemma 4 up and running inside, so you can start chatting right away. Let's get started. We're here in LM Studio, and our first step is to load Gemma 4. Go ahead and click the search icon. A window will open showing all available models. On the right side, you'll already see a pre-selected option. The software tells you exactly what your computer can handle, so just avoid any that are marked as likely too large. You'll see Best Match suggests models that are a great fit for your hardware. But since only one Gemma 4 model is listed here, let's look for more options. As you can see, additional models appear instantly, and again, you can check on the right to see if they fit your PC. Feel free to scroll through the list until you find the right one. It's always a good idea not to max out your memory, so I've chosen the one that uses about 10 gigabytes. Once you've selected your match, just click Download. As soon as it's finished, you'll see it in the selection menu at the top. Click on the model to load it into your system's memory. Now, click the small gear icon next to it. Change the context length value from 4096 to 8192, basically doubling it. This isn't strictly necessary, but it helps the model remember more details during longer chats. Keep in mind that the model will need to reload to apply this. Once that's done, we're ready to start chatting. Alright, now just click on the New Chat button. This opens up a fresh, blank chat window. Up at the top menu, select your model. We'll pick Gemma 4. And because we already set that context length to 8192 earlier, the software automatically remembers it for us. Now comes the fun part. Down in the chat box at the bottom, you can type in absolutely anything you want to ask. As an example here, I'm asking it to give me a list of 10 famous artists. Whenever you're ready, just click that little purple arrow to send it. And right away, Gemma 4 starts thinking and typing out the answer. Look at that. It's even organizing everything into a really nice, clean table for us. That was actually super fast and uncomplicated, right? Let's look at a different example. We've covered text input, but Gemma 4 is also excellent at image recognition. Down by the chat window, you'll see a small plus sign. You can use this to upload a PDF file or an image, or you can simply drag and drop a file directly into the chat window. Once it's uploaded, you can ask questions about it. For example, what do you see in this image? After you hit the arrow button, Gemma 4 gets straight to work. Of course, image recognition isn't limited to just photos of food. Think about things like official letters, complex documents, or items you don't quite understand. You can upload those files, like a PDF, and have Gemma 4 analyze them for you. The possibilities are truly endless. As you can see here, everything was recognized correctly, and because this is a conversation, you can easily follow up with more questions based on this output. Here's another perfect example of how you can use this. We've all been there. You need to write a thoughtful message in a wedding card, and your mind just goes blank. Instead of stressing about it, just start a new chat and simply ask for what you need. And as you can see, it instantly gives you 3 different options to choose from. Honestly, it doesn't get any faster than that. As you can see, it's actually quite straightforward.